In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install CCleaner on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, just go to your browser, then search for CCleaner, download, then press enter, and then you will see this link cccleaner.com. Just click here. Then you will see two versions, one is free and another one is the pro version, which you need to buy. So we want to download the free version, so we'll click on free download, and there you can see it says thanks for downloading, and the download just started over here, and it is around 73 MB. So this will take a few seconds. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see the download is complete. After that, we just need to double click on the downloaded file. Then you need to give a permission, yes. Then something like this will pop up. Over here you can see. After that, this will pop up, and here you can see the install option. If you want, you can also customize this, but we are going to directly click on install. And there you can see it is installing, and the install is complete. Right now, if we just click on run CCleaner, it will open it in the browser, but we can just close that on. Close the browser, and there you can see CCleaner is successfully installed in our Windows device. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.